Hello guys, today let's review Blaze AI. Is this the best tool for content creation? So Blaze AI is an all-in-one content creation platform designed to streamline your workflow. It offers AI-generated blog posts, social media content, emails, and even visuals through its integrated Blaze Designer. The standout feature is its brand voice customization, ensuring consistent tone across all content types. Users appreciate its intuitive interface and efficiency in producing short form content. However, some note that long form outputs may require additional editing to meet specific standards. Blaze AI also includes SEO optimization tools, multi-channel scheduling, and real-time collaboration features. While it excels in many areas, the pricing is starting at $34 per month might be a consideration for freelancers or small businesses. In summary guys, Blaze AI is a powerful tool for content creators seeking to enhance productivity and maintain brand consistency. It's particularly effective for short form content and offers a range of features that can benefit marketing teams. However, for those requiring in depth long form content or operating on a tight budget, it's worth weighing the pros and cons.